Hello, Vincent, and everyone over there at Alpine Plumbing and Routing. I hope you're doing well. My name is Charles, and I thank you for talking to me, Brandon. I appreciate it. It was good to talk to you yesterday. This is the video I was talking about that I was going to shoot, just showing you a little bit about what I do and how I help businesses draw in more clients. You may be asking, why do I do this? Why am I doing this? A lot of business owners ask that. Well, I'm doing this because, for one, I know that business owners are sometimes too busy to actually learn about this kind of stuff. And number two, there's so much information out there that sometimes business owners do not know who to go with or exactly what they should do. So I just wanted to prove myself, give you a few recommendations that you can take and implement and help you draw more clients into to you calling in or walking into your door. And all right, so let me not waste any more time. Let me get started. So the three things I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. And this all has to do with your website. About 90% of people looking for local services like yours, like plumbing or HVAC or remodelers, use Google to search for those services. 70% of them stay on the front page of Google. So for example, say I was looking for a plumber in Laverne. Typical thing that someone can search is go on Google and search Laverne plumbing. Or plumber in Chino, California. There are ways and there are methods that you can actually tell how many people are searching for this per month and what websites they're going to. And this is how we can actually draw people to you instead of going to your competitors, and doing that without paying for advertising and without paying for leads. You know, for example, in Angie's List, Home Advisor, etc. Okay, so like I said, the three things I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Content has everything to do with your front page. Everything I've highlighted, all the text in blue, all the text, all the pictures. Google reads all of that and tells if it should put you in front of whoever is searching. So and by pictures, I mean there's text behind pictures. It's what you've saved the pictures as. For example, this one picture here, you saved it as content v3 -img. Now it's more advisable to save it in as a keyword. So I'd have saved that as, say, plumber in Laverne, California, etc. This makes you more and more relevant in front of Google's eyes. Now, Google optimizes for about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text on your front page, and also the same kind of text on your back pages. That text should be saturated with those keywords I was talking about, so that Google can, put you in front of relevant searches. I see you have probably about maybe 500 words in your front page, so I'll definitely increase that by 700 to 1,000. And make sure you saturate it with those keywords that people are looking for. And just before I move on to citations, I want to show you, I use a tool called Ahrefs, which can analyze keywords and analyze websites. For example, I took the liberty of just going through a few searches that are around you, and you could see Laverne plumbing. About 150 people search for that every month. And if I look at that by domain, where the people go, I can see that a lot of your competitors are here. You're ranking here on, I guess, because you're on the 7th result and also the 14th result on Google. So that just means that you're on the 2nd page, and I think this must be about the 3rd or the 4th page of Google. And your competitors over here are getting a lot more traffic than you because they're ranking higher for that keyword. The same with plumber in Chino, California. About 150 people search for that every month. And let's look at that by domain. You can see where your competition lies. I keep on seeing All City Plumbing for You and Klaus & Sons. So I'm sure those are your heavy competitors. Now for this keyword, I don't see you anywhere here. So you're getting almost no traffic from this one keyword. So I would definitely make sure you put this keyword on your front page within the text. And there are methods to do that organically, so it reads as if it reads normally. Chino Hills Plumbing, 100 people look for that every month. Let's see how much. Again, also the plumbing is getting a lot of traffic. Now, it's incumbent to whoever's doing your website or your SEO to actually research, look at the organic keywords of your competitors, and make sure that you're ranking for those relevant ones as well, so that you're grabbing that traffic. The second thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, citations are relevant when it comes to this part of the map of the Google search results, which is called the map pack. So how do you rank here? It has to do with citations. Citations are anywhere on the internet in different directories that your name, address, and phone number are cited. So by directories, I mean like Better Business Bureau, Yelp, Yext, Dexnos, etc. The superpages.com, yellowpages.com, etc. The more relevant and higher in number directories you're in, the higher your rank here. This map pack is location based. That's why you need your name, address, and phone number exactly as they appear on your Google My Business page to be in different directories. So Google can pick you up and put you in front here. So that all the traffic that we've seen can start coming to you instead. After the map pack comes this organic listing section. And this has a lot to do with backlinks. And that's the third thing I want to talk about. Backlinks, if you think of the web as the internet, as many web pages all linked together, a backlink is when one of those web pages links to your page, directing traffic to you. However, not all backlinks are the same, because if it's a McDonald's linking to you, Google sees that as a little bit spammy because you're in different niches, nothing to do with each other. But if it's a conference of plumbers in Southern California and they have blog up and they direct traffic to you, they have your link there because they like what you do, that Google considers that a much stronger and relevant backlink, and therefore will consider you more relevant for searches. Now, I'm going to go back to the same tool and I'm going to analyze your website. And let's also take one of your competitors. Let's say this guy, Maclay Services. So here we go, Maclay Services. That's just backlinks for one page. Let me go to the entire site. And we can see they have about 556 backlinks from 217 domains. And let's go to your site here, Alpine Plumbing and Router. And you have about 159 backlinks from 71 domains. Now, you have to remember, I said not all backlinks are the same. So it's incumbent upon your SEO or website person to come here, look at your competitors' backlinks, make sure you have the relevant, take the relevant ones, make sure you have the same amount of relevant good backlinks. And not only that, you want to double or triple the number of backlinks so that you can start showing up higher and higher for those searches. So if you improve on those three things, on your backlinks, your citations, and your text, your content, you'll start to rank higher and higher in these kind of searches, and you'll start to get a lot more of this traffic. Oh yeah, I also was analyzing Rancho Cucamonga Plumber, and I saw there's 150. So actually, out of those 4 keywords, we have 150 plus Plumber Glendora is 100. It's 250. Rancho Cucamonga Plumber is 150, so that goes up to 400. Chino Hills Plumbing, 100, so that's 500. So what I'm just trying to show you is that with those 4 keywords that I've just shown you, there's 500 people searching for you in your location. So it's pretty important so that you can stay on this first page and get 70% of that traffic coming to you. Thank you very much. I hope you've enjoyed what I've had to present today. If you can give this to your SEO or your website person, and then let them see this and help you start ranking and drawing in more people. If you'd like to work with me, if you like the tricks that I have, I'm more than willing. My name is Charles again. Just reply to my email, or my number is going to be in my email. You can call me. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Have a great weekend.